Just today, I've been able to do $4,000 in affiliate commissions with 100% free traffic. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can actually start generating affiliate commissions as well, because I'm the one that's actually going to be doing the work and you are the one that can collect the commissions. I'm holding a webinar about it, and you can find out all about it right here in the link in the video description. So check this out. I mean, I could sit here and tell you that I made this and I made that, but proof obviously speaks louder than words. So check this out. Today, let me just highlight this, 5:33 p.m. As you can see, $2,000 commission, and 5:53 p.m. another $2,000 commission. So in a span of about 20 minutes, as you can see right here, that's $4,000 that has come in pure affiliate commissions. And I got these commissions, by the way, with 100% free traffic. Let me actually show you. Now, to make things even better, check this out. This is one of the programs that I'm promoting, E1U Life. And the system, the affiliate marketing system that I'm using, doesn't just promote one income stream. It actually promotes several income streams, and all of them you can actually start leveraging them with 100% free traffic. In fact, I have a secret software that I've just introduced into the members area that you can check it out. Again, once you click here, it's going to take you to the webinar. I'm hosting several webinars this week, so make sure to register. Hopefully you didn't miss out on them. But let me show you something. So September 19 is when I started using this marketing campaign. And that's when I started promoting this program. So far in 59 days, I've been able to earn $58,850. And that's just with one income stream. But is there only one income stream? No, there isn't. Check this out. If I go here and I refresh this, actually, this is my shopping cart where I collect more payments because some of these programs are 100% commissions. Check this out. September 19 to November 17, which is today. Give it a second to load. Net sales, another $39,210. So if we add these two up, which I did actually just before I started this video, that is a total, as you can see right here, of $98,060. Now let me say this, my results are not typical. I am not in any way guaranteeing or suggesting that you're going to do 98,000 in 59 days. And I'm actually pretty sure that I'm going to crack the 100K in 2 months, but we'll see. We'll see. There's one more day left. So 58,850 plus 39,210. I actually want you to comment down below, how much do you want to make with affiliate marketing? Just go ahead and comment down below this video. How much do you want to make per month? Because whatever that goal is, you know, I can pretty much tell you that one good affiliate marketing campaign can pretty much get you there. Because if you think about it, you don't need 17 affiliate marketing campaigns. You just need one that can pay you big commissions, big affiliate commissions, $2,000 commissions, and other thousands of dollars in types of commissions. So if you want to do this with 100% free traffic, and in a minute, I'm actually going to show you the exact source of my sales, the actual traffic source. How would you like to know that? If you want to know that, stick around till the end of this video. How would you like to be able to earn affiliate commissions with 100% free traffic? I've spent zero on ads, nothing, zero. Now, that's not to say that in the past I haven't tested paid advertising and it worked pretty well, but times have changed now. Now I've noticed that free traffic works better, and I want to teach it to you. I'm going to actually show you exactly how to do it. Not only am I going to show it to you when you click the link below and register to the webinar, but you're going to discover the bonus package that is part of, when you join my team, I will include a bonus package for you. And one of the bonuses is for you to be able to actually leverage the same exact traffic source that I use without having to record videos, without having to, you know, do all kinds of stuff that you might not be comfortable doing as a beginner. And if you are a beginner, that's great. That doesn't necessarily is going to change anything. But I'm going to basically hook you up with the exact same traffic source that I use, so you can leverage it too to start generating traffic from it. Now, if you're curious, what is this traffic source? Well, let me show you. Let's solve that mystery right now. So let me just go ahead and switch the screen over here. We're going to go back to the browser, and I'm going to actually go to the very last the same website here, as you can see, E1U Live. And I want to show you, this is under the referral section, but I filtered it to show you what is the source of these sales. So as you can see, here's one sale, came in from YouTube, and this is the actual video ID. So YouTube has been a phenomenal sales source for me. Some of them I forgot to place a tag on it, but I'm pretty sure that they came in from YouTube. Here's another one from the same video, YouTube, as you can see right there. Here's the video ID, and this video is right on my channel right now, generating me sales. Let's take a look at another one. Here's another one, FB Bio. Here's another one. So FB Bio, what does this stand for? This one is from Facebook, actually. And down here we have another one from Newsfeed. Okay, Newsfeed is also Facebook. DD homepage. This is actually my website, my homepage. Now, the reason I tag all of my sales here is because I want to know where the sales are coming from. So as you can see, another one, Newsfeed. So these are sales that are coming in from Facebook, from completely free traffic. And I have pages of this stuff. So now, let me ask you this. You're probably seeing this right now and you're wondering, well, David, does this mean I'm going to have to record videos on YouTube? I'm a beginner. I don't know how to record videos. What do we do? How do I do it? Don't worry. Because here's the thing. There's only 3 steps to making this work. And if you follow my 3 steps, just like many of my team members have, in fact, let me show you. Let me show you my team members and what they've been able to do, because this is important. You want to know what type of results people have been able to get with this, right? This is probably one of your questions. So check this out. This is our Facebook group where, again, I do the work. You are the one that gets to keep all the commissions. And here's how that works when you join my team, by the way. So here's Joshua. Take a look. 3 hours ago, $2,000 commission. One of my team members. He actually made $2,000 commissions while he was having dinner. Pretty cool, right? Let's keep going. And there it is right there. As you can see, $2,000 that he got to make. Here's me, 4,020 minutes. I actually made a post just an hour before this, and I said, hey, here, $2,000 commission. And then 20 minutes later, this one came in. So I wrote, hey, never mind the last post. That's already old news, which it was. Check this out. B-Tree, one of my team members, another $2,000 commission. And look what he says. He says, look, I remember the days that it was hard to get a $30 commission, but now I'm generating $2,000 commissions. Thanks, David, for making it so everything easy. I can't thank you enough. And here he is holding his dog, and there's the commission right there. As you can see, November, what is this, 17? $2,000 commission that he got to keep. Now, and by the way, he gets to keep all the money. Here's Miles. Miles, by the way, did 44,000 in 21 days. Okay, 44,000. So we're not talking about chump change here. So whatever your goal is, whatever you wrote down below this video is your goal. I mean, look at these types of, commissions and think, okay, how many of these $2,000 commissions do I really need to be able to earn what I'm trying to get to? So there you go, $2,000 commission. And as you can see right there, he says, look, it's simple. Just come in at Vertex Live, grab all of David's bonuses and activate, by activating income stream number 1, drive consistent traffic and let the system do its thing. And really, that's really all there's to it. And this is me going live yesterday. So now, go back here. Let me chat with you for a bit. So I'm an affiliate marketer, and I've been an affiliate marketer for quite a long time. Now, the reason this is important for you specifically is because as an affiliate marketer, you want to do what works, right? You want to generate affiliate commissions. And you've probably heard of people doing thousands of dollars per day with all kinds of special campaigns and stuff. Well, this is one of those campaigns, right? I've already set it up. All the videos are in place. All the pages are in place. All the webinar is in place. The email follow-up is in place. The whole thing is done. When you join my team, what I will do is I will actually I will give you the same campaign that I'm using that just today, as you've seen, generated me $4,000. And in the last 59 days has generated me $98,000 in pure affiliate commissions with 100% free traffic. Now, not only do I give you the campaign, but listen to this. Click the link below. There's 3 steps. When you click the link below, the first thing I want you to do is watch the webinar, because I'm sure you're full of questions right now. How does it work? How much can I earn? How do I get free traffic and all that? I show you literally the whole thing right on the webinar. This is why it's so important that you attend one of the webinars that I'm hosting this week. So click the link below, go register, and I'll basically get you on the webinar. The second thing is you need to activate your affiliate IDs, right? In the different programs that we're promoting. One of the programs, as you've seen, is E1U Life. The reason I've been able to make $2,000 commissions, and Miles and Josh and B-Tree and pretty much everyone that you've seen, there's a special level called Vertex Live, and you need to activate your income stream at Vertex Live. Here's why. And there's several reasons, and they're very, very important. So remember these two words, Vertex Live. Why would you need to activate Vertex Live? Here's why. When you activate E1U at Vertex Live, they will build a custom website for you. So what type of a website would you want? Do you remember the sale that I got that's called DD Homepage? That's basically my website. That's a one-page site that has my picture on it, has some text on it, and basically that's where the traffic goes. Because when you're doing free traffic the way I'm going to show you, what's going to happen is people are going to start checking you out, right? They're going to want to know, okay, is this guy somebody with a cat picture as his profile and he doesn't even have a website? Or is this guy somebody professional that's an affiliate marketer and he's here to stay and it's going to, I can join their team and confidently do so as a professional person. Now, by professional, I don't mean you have to wear a suit or anything. I don't wear suits. Look at me. I'm here with a chain and stuff. But what I'm saying is you need to have a home online, presence, essentially. So when somebody goes to join you, like who would you join? A guy with a cat picture as his profile, or somebody that has a professional site? You go there, you can see that they're talking about the same program, that they're having, their team members are having results. They know what they're doing. They have a clean site and that type of thing. So if you're not technical, Easy One Up will solve that problem for you. E1U, I want you to activate specifically Vertex Live because number one, they're going to build the site for you. Number two is when you activate that level, first of all, you're going to get access to a whole bunch of very, very important training that you're going to need to know about free traffic. So not only are you going to get access to all of that, but you're also going to get resale rights to be able to earn those big $2,000 commissions. And that's kind of important because if you want to earn those $2,000 commissions, you need to be at that level. So 3 steps, again, click the link below, get yourself on the webinar. I'm hosting several of them this week, so don't miss out. Second thing, get yourself on Vertex Live by joining my team, specifically from the link that you see in this video. So click the link below, join my team at Vertex Live because I'm going to be helping you by hooking you up with some bonuses, which is step number 3, sending traffic. You need to send traffic, right? I could give you the best campaign in the world, but if you're not sending visitors to it, that's like me giving you a restaurant and you're not getting anybody in the door, right? So when you need to send traffic, one of the bonuses that I give you when you join my team is I actually give you the actual YouTube video files, like the actual videos, the same videos that are generating me these sales. I give them to you. I show you where to download them. You basically download them. And even if you've never made a YouTube video in your life, no problem. You don't need to do that. Obviously, it's good if you want to start making videos and stuff, but you don't have to. You can just post them on your social media, post them on YouTube, use them essentially. And whatever traffic comes in from them, you get to keep that 100%. And whatever sales come in from them, you also get to keep that 100%. Cool, right? Now, beyond that, there's also other bonuses that I give you, including a secret software that I've been using, not only because here's the thing, you can generate free traffic, but you're going to need to start growing an audience, right? So what's the best way to grow an audience? Well, there's a secret software that I use for that. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but all the details are when you click the link below and go check it out.